Hey everyone, it's Evelyn from EC Projects. Today I'm going to show you how to make a banana espresso martini. It's super delicious with just 3 ingredients. Pick a really good rum. Bacardi 8-year is my choice. It gives you that really sort of cinnamon toasty element to it. And your house-made banana peel syrup, you can find it on my other video. And a little bit of espresso. If you don't have espresso, just find some strong black coffee. It'll work just well. So first you're going to take your shaker tin and you're going to add your rum. I like a good healthy portion, so 4 tablespoons of rum, which is 2 ounces, is perfect. Right in there, and then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of the banana peel syrup, nicely caramelized. Followed by 1 ounce of espresso or strong black coffee. And the next thing, you're going to shake it all up. Shake vigorously for 10 to 15 seconds. And then you're going to strain it into your favorite cocktail glass. Look at that froth. You don't have to garnish it, but to bring out those beautiful sort of allspice nutmeg flavors of Bacardi 8, I'm going to grate a little bit of cinnamon on top. That'll pair fantastically with your chocolate banana mug cake in my other video. Here you go, your banana espresso martini. Cheers!